1774, and the British Parliament passed 5 laws against the colonies.
These 5 laws were given the name Intolerable because the American patriots could simply tolerate such unfair laws.
The British passed these acts as punishment for the Boston Tea.
I'll teach those rebels a lesson. This is my order.
What a night we had. They actually thought we were real Native Americans.
Yeah, we had every record of those 365 crates of tea into the ocean for all that they did to us.
Mr. Paul Revere, I am here to serve you and your lawbreakers for your lawless behavior.
By all means, what is this?
Well, my friend, this is the Boston Port Act.
What is this?
It gives me pleasure to read this. This is the direct punishment to the city of Boston for the Boston Tea Party. This act will close the port of Boston until you are paying for the tea dumped into the harbor.
So tell me, Mr. Paul Revere, what shall we do now? Wait a minute. I'll think of something. Let's go.
The next day, King George kept passing more laws that affected the colonies.
What's your problem? I guess you haven't heard. The people we elected are no longer governing us. What do you mean? Here, read. We're in a lot of trouble.
Massachusetts Government Act. This act changed the government of the colony of Massachusetts. It will give more power to the governor, who was appointed by Great Britain, and take away power from the colonists. Many of the government officials that used to be elected by the people will now be appointed by the governor. The act also says that only one town meeting a year could be held.
Listen here, lady. If you don't want to get arrested, move on my way.
What is the meaning of this? Since when can someone burst into someone's home?
The Quartering Act, colonists had to provide barracks for British soldiers. In the case where barracks weren't available, these soldiers could be housed in other buildings, such as barns, hotels, and homes.
Benjamin Franklin, Paul Revere, William Dawes, George Washington. God, do something! No taxation without representation! No taxation without representation! What is this? All these acts, these laws, William Dawes, come here. We have to go to war.
Revere, here.
I can't. You read it.
Administration of Justice Act. This act will allow government to move capital trails against government officials to Great Britain. Witnesses will have to travel all the way to Britain to testify against an official, making it nearly impossible to convince them.
Travel? I'm sorry, but I don't do ships anymore.
So all the colonists gathered together to discuss the matter at hand. The Quebec Act will expand the British-Canadian territory south into the Ohio Valley. It will make the Quebec province and the Catholic province. What does that mean for us?
This means war. That's what it means.
The Intolerable Acts became a rallying cry for patriots in America. They felt these acts and took away some of their basic freedom.
In many ways, these acts helped unite the colonies and push them one step closer to revolution. The end.